Hello, Mr. Guinea Pig. I'm recording. That's a hamster.
No, that's a
I mean bunny. I don't know why I said hamster. Hey, buddy. Hello, little buddies. Yeah, I don't like fish that much. They're not that much interesting. Megan, come here. Bruh, let's go look at that little hamsters. Aww. They're sleeping. Aww. No, I woke them up. God damn it. Hi. Hi, buddy.
You know these are mice.
I know.
These are mouse.
Mouse? They're mice, not mouse.
So cute.
Proper English. Proper English much?
Oh my god, there's one in this room.
Where?
Right there.
There's a few in there, actually. There's like 3. Oh, look at that one. Megan, come here.
There's one on the wheel.
Get up. There's one on the wheel?
Yeah, there's one on the wheel.
Move. Excuse me. Come here, look at this one. Okay, Dad, okay. We're in the video. There's none in here, that sucks. Hi.
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 You're better.
What's the name?
Ruby.
Ruby? Huh. What kind of dog is it?
She's part Shih Tzu and part Boston Terrier.
Part Shih Tzu and part Boston Terrier?
Yep, that's what she is.
Huh.
Thank you.
Hi. Is that your dog?
Yep.
What kind of dog is it?
He's a half lab
Half lab?
and blue lacy, which is like a pointer breed.
A blue what?
Blue lacy. It's
Blue lacy?
Say hi, Gus. Gussie, can you sit?
Gussie,
He's like,
sit.
Sniff. Gus, sit.
I think he smells my dogs.
He's like, I'm gonna smell everything here.
Smells
Gus,
my
sit.
dogs.
Sit. There you go. Can you give him a paw? Paw? Oh, maybe not.
Give a paw. Good doggy. Hi.
Sit.
Sit.
Good
Sit.
girl. She's listening to you, not
Does
me.
he know paw?
Yeah, she should. Luna, stay.
Hey, paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Luna, give me paw. Give me paw. Come on. Give me paw.
Oh, shit.
Give me paw.
Luna, here, watch. Sit. Sit. Paw.
Paw.
Paw. Luna, paw.
Paw.
There you go.
Good doggy. Thank you. Ah, my hands are slimy. Hi. What kind of dog is this?
She's a Labradoodle.
Labradoodle?
Yeah.
That's a funny name. I think he smells my dogs.
Yeah, probably. Macy, look.
Does he know paw?
Yeah, she knows paw. Macy.
Macy, sit.
Macy, sit. Yes.
Paw. Macy, paw.
You come to this side. And then put your hand down low and then say paw.
Paw.
Good girl.
Good girl. Thank you. Yeah, boring fish. Hello, birdie. Oh, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.